equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the lower body of your Thermomix TM5. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected from any power source. Next, turn the device upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the lower body. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the lower body away from the main unit. Be cautious as there may be wires connected that you don't want to damage. Take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. A clean machine is a happy machine, so use your soft cloth to wipe down any surfaces you can reach. Now, let's focus on the replacement. Take your new lower body and align it with the main unit. Ensure that any wires are properly positioned and not pinched. This is crucial for the functionality of your Thermomix. Before securing everything back in place, double-check that all components are aligned correctly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. Once you're satisfied with the alignment, it's time to reattach the screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the lower body back onto the main unit. Make sure each screw is tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. After securing the screws, turn your Thermomix back upright. Plug it in and perform a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our services are designed to make your life easier. Finally, give your Thermomix a thorough clean on the outside to ensure it looks as good as new. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your appliance and keep it performing at its best. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the lower body of your Thermomix TM5. With the right tools and a bit of patience, this task is entirely manageable. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us for professional support. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.